Good morning, everyone. So I am teacher Joseph, and I am your math teacher. So today is our 37th day of our online math class. So today is our second day of this topic, that is fractions. Okay, so I want you to get your book and open it on page 59. So we are in letter D. Okay, get your books. 59, 5, 9. Okay. So in letter D, you have to write a fraction to represent the shaded parts of each diagram in numerals and in words. So in letter D, there is a given diagram and we have to answer in numbers and in words. So you have to answer 2 for each diagram. Okay, let's start. So number 1, that is a triangle, right? So again, how to write in fraction? You have to count first the shaded part. Shaded means colored in black or gray, okay? So how many shaded parts are there? So there is 1, okay? And also, that is for the numerator, the shaded parts. How about the denominator? You have to count everything, the whole. So 1, 1, 2, 3. So that means 1/3 or 1/3. Okay, so that is the answer. How about in words? So you write the spelling of 1/3. Okay, 1/3. So this is 3. So 1/3. So that is how you read this fraction. Okay, next one. How about in number 2? So how many shaded parts you can see? Okay, that's 1. So that is the numerator. How about the denominator? How many? What is the number for the denominator? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means in numerals, the answer is 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, in words, 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to number 3. Let's count again how many shaded parts are there. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. So that is 3/1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 3/5. Okay, nice. How about in words? So you just write 3/5. Okay, so if it is 1, you don't have to write S. Okay, but here it is more than 1. So that means 3/5. Okay, so THS. So that is very important when you write in words in fractions. So 3/5. Okay, how about number 4? In numerals, how many shaded parts are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same. So what is our answer? Okay, so that is 6/6. So how will you write that in words? So that will be 6, 6. Okay, with THS on the second one. So 6/6. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to number 5. In number 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 7? Oh, yes, that is a 7. 7 corners, so that means that is a heptagon. Okay, so how many shaded parts are there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 shaded, so that is the numerator. How about the denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means the answer for number 5 is 5/7 or 5/7. So in words, you just write 5/7 with THS. Okay, good job. Next, let's go to number 6. So again, let's count how many shaded parts are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So same, 5. How about the total? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means for number 6, the answer is 5/8. Or in words, 5/8 with THS. Okay, so very good. Let's go now to number 7. So in number 7, we have how many shaded parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 is the numerator. How about the denominator? Let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4/9. So how will you write that in words? That will be 4/9. Okay, 4/9. So THS. Okay. How about in number 8? So how many shaded parts are there? Okay, so that is 2. Okay, so 2/. So let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer for number 8 is 2/10, or in words, 2/10. THS. Okay, we're finished with numerals and words. Very good, everyone. Okay, so now let's proceed to page 60. 60. Okay, 60. Okay, on page 60, we have to shade each of the following diagrams to represent the given fraction. Okay, so how to do that? So we have to color. Okay, so please get your crayons or any colored pencil so that you can color the fraction. Okay, so I have here. Okay, so in letter E, we have 2/3. So that means you have to color 2. So 1, 2. I colored already everything. How about in number 2? We have 4, 6. So we have to color how many? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how about number 3? 3, 8. So how many will you color? So that is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you can use any color you want, okay? Any color will do. Okay, how about number 4? So how many will you color? So that is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, very good. How about number 5? 6/10. So how many will you color? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Then last one. So there is 5/12. Okay, so how many will you color? Okay, that is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. So that is how to represent the given fraction. Just remember that the numerator is the number that you have to shade. Okay, and the denominator is the total or the whole fraction. Okay, that's it. Let's go now to letter F. So in letter F, again, we have to color again, but we have to draw. So we have to draw already the shapes. So we are the one to divide and we are the one to shape. Okay, so let's start. Oh, I answered already. So number 1/2. So you divide this first by 2 because this is 2. 1, 2. So then you color 1. So that's why I color this side. So if you color the other side, that is okay. But leave the other side empty because it says only 1. Okay, how about number 2? That is 3/4. So you divide this by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you color the 3. 1, 2, 3. So that is the answer. How about number 3? There is 2/4. So you have to divide into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to color 2. So 1, 2. That's it. Very nice. So please use a ruler, okay, so that it will be straight. Okay, how about number 4? In number 4, we have hexagon. So how many will you draw? So that is 6, right? Total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about how many will you shape? So that is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. Number 5. 5/9. So you have to divide this into 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then how many will you color? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. Then how about number 6? So number 6, we have 6/8. So 8 is the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many will you color? That is 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Very good, everyone. So in letter E and letter F, you have to color and you have to draw. Okay. Again, always remember that the denominator, the number below, is the total. And the number at the top or the numerator is the shaded parts. Okay, those with black color or blue color or gray color. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. So let's go now to the next letter, letter G. So in letter G, here we have to compare fractions. So how to compare? Okay, let's see. This is page 61. Okay, page 61. So we have to circle the greater fraction. So we have to circle the greater fraction, the biggest. Okay, so what is that? So we have this one. So the biggest, you just have to look at the shaded one. Okay, so this is shaded and this is shaded. So what do you think is the bigger fraction? Okay, so that is 5. So that is 5/8. Very nice. Circle. Okay, you circle. How about number 2? We have 1/4 and 3/6. So what do you think is the greater fraction? Okay, so the bigger fraction is 3/6. Okay, good job. Next, let's go to number 3. Number 3, we have 8/12. Okay, so 8/12. Then 2/6. So what do you think is the bigger fraction or greater fraction? So that is 8/12. Very nice. That's correct. Then how about number 4? We have 4/5 and 4/10. So which one is bigger? You can see that. So 4/5 is the greater fraction. How about number 5? We have 7/9 and we have 7/12. So what will be the bigger fraction or the greater fraction? That is, okay, 7, 9. So it is longer. The last one, we have 2/4 and 6/8. So which one is the greater fraction? That is, okay, so it is longer. So that is 6/8. Okay, very nice. You know what is a greater fraction. So now for the last letter. Okay, so letter H. So fill in the blank. So we have greater than and less than. Okay, so we have to use that symbol. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so use the symbol like this and like this. So remember that the mouth here is points at the bigger number. Okay, so let's start. So fill in the blanks. So 3/4 and 1/4. Which one is bigger? Okay, so that is 3. So that means there is the mouth. Okay, how about 5/7 and 6/7? So 5 or 6? Okay, that is 6. Very good. How about number 3? We have 3/11 and 9/11. So which one is bigger, 3 or 9? Okay, that is 9. Very good. How about number 4? Okay, before we proceed, always remember if the denominator is the same, so just look at the numerator, which one is bigger. But what if, okay, let's go to number 5 later. So 15, the same denominator, so which one is bigger, 10 or 12? That is 12. Okay, how about number 5? So here, they have the same numerator. So remember, if they have the same numerator, the smaller the fraction, the bigger its value. So this one is a same numerator and this one is the smaller fraction. So that means that is the big value. So it has a big value. So 1/6 is bigger or greater than 1/12. Okay, next one, number 6. Again, they have the same numerator. Okay, so look at the denominator, 8 and 16. Okay, so this one is smaller. That means it has a big value. Okay, so 5/8 is greater than 5/16. But how will we answer this one? 8/10 and 1/5. Because they have different numerator and they have different denominator. So this is how you solve. So look for a number that you can multiply to 5, that it will be 10. So 5 times what? Oh, sorry. 5 times, okay, so that will be 2, right? So 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Then you also multiply in the numerator. So the answer will be 2 tens. Okay, so they have the same denominator already. So which one is bigger? So that is 8. Okay, good job. Next, number 8. 4/14 and 6/7. So what can you multiply to 7 to make it 14? Okay, so that is 2 again. So 2, 2. So 6 times 2, that is 12. 7 times 2, that is 14. So 14 and 14, they are the same already. So which one is bigger, 4 or 12? That is 12. Very good. Correct. Okay. So how about number 9? Number 9, we have 3/9 and 3/3. Oh, they have the same numerator. Again, if they have the same numerator, the smaller the fraction, the bigger is its value. So that means the answer for number 9 is 3, okay, or 3/3. So that is the answer. How about number 10? So number 10, we have 10 and 20. So what will you multiply to 10 to make it 20? Okay, so that is 2. So 10 times 2 is 20 over 20. So which one is bigger, 20 or 15? Okay, so that is 20. Very nice. How about number 11? So number 11, we have 3/5 and 4/15. So what can you multiply to 5 to make it 15? Okay, so that is 3. Very good. So 3, 3. So 3 times 3, the answer is 9. 5 times 3, the answer is 15. So which one is bigger, 9 or 4? Okay, so that is 9. Okay, then last one, let's go to number 12. Number 12, we have 6/7 and 6/8. So they have the same numerator. Okay, so that means which one is the smaller fraction with the bigger value? That is, okay, 6/7. Okay, so that ends our class, grade 3. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope you understand. Okay, for questions, I will answer on our Zoom class. Okay, see you again, grade 3, and stay safe. Goodbye.